Now, how the president can be removed? In order to remove the president, you have to pass a resolution in both the houses of the union legislature. To remove the president, any house, like say for example, in our case, we take the two houses, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, and let's assume that this house, any house can prefer the charges that the president has violated the constitution before the other house. The only ground on the basis of which an impeachment proceeding can be initiated in the parliament is the ground of violation of the constitution. There is no other ground on the basis of which the president can be removed from his office. The only ground is violation of the constitution. So suppose the Lok Sabha prefers the charges before the Rajya Sabha that the president has violated the constitution. Before Lok Sabha could do so, Lok Sabha has to do these things. First, it has to give a notice signed by at least 1/4 of the total members of Lok Sabha. It means 25% of the strength of the total strength of the Lok Sabha that they intend to move one resolution through which they want to prefer the charges of violation of constitution before the Rajya Sabha. And 14 days time should expire from the date on which this notice was given. Once this notice is served, the second thing is passing the resolution. The resolution has to be then passed by not less than 2/3 of the total membership of the House. Keep this in mind. This is not special majority. Special majority is what? Not less than 2/3 of the members present and voting, which again has to be a majority of the total strength of the house. जैसे कि समझ लो कोई हाउस है जिसकी टोटल स्ट्रेंथ 100 है, ठीक है, तो इसकी मेजॉरिटी कितनी होगी? 51 होगी. और समझ लो वहां पर कितने लोग आए हैं? 80 लोग आए हैं उस दिन प्रेजेंट एंड उसमें से कितने लोगों ने वोट किया है? समझ लो 70 लोगों ने वोट किया है इन फेवर ऑफ द रेजोल्यूशन. So it is not less than 2/3 of the members present and voting, and which is again has to be a majority of the total membership of the house. This is special majority. You understand that? But this is not special majority. This is a special kind of majority. ये majority सिर्फ president के केस में यूज होती है और कहीं नहीं यूज होती, ध्यान रखना. 2/3 of the total membership of the house. ठीक है? Once this is done, the charges are preferred before the other house. Once the charges are preferred, the other house investigates the charges. It investigates the charges. And upon such investigation, if it is found that the charges are correct or the charges are true, then the second house also passes a resolution by same kind of majority. It means not less than 2/3 of the total membership of the house. समझ में आ रहा है? And if this resolution is passed by the second house, the president stands impeached. He has to be leaving his office. समझ में आ रहा है? That is how the impeachment process of the president takes place. Keep this in mind that in this investigation, the president has the right to represent himself or represent himself through a representative, anybody whom he appoints. He has the right to speak in his defense and all those kind of things. Is any president of India impeached so far? No president. मतलब इतने बुरे दिन अभी तक हमारे आए नहीं कि कोई प्रेसिडेंट को हमको इम्पीच करना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज आप देख लो जो भी प्रेसिडेंट बने हैं आज तक, दे आर ऑल इलस्ट्रियस पीपल, हम्बल पीपल, कमिंग फ्रॉम ग्राउंड. तो उन्होंने सब, दे हैव ऑल fought it out. अगर आज के लैंग्वेज में बोलो तो हसलर्स हैं सब जो प्रेसिडेंट बने हैं आज तक, ठीक है. तो इसलिए किसी को इम्पीच करने की अब तक जरूरत नहीं महसूस हुई.